अमृतस्य पुत्रा वयं शृण्वन्तु अमृतस्य पुत्रा वयं शृण्वन्तु अमृतस्य पुत्रा वयं शृण्वन्तु अमृतस्य पुत्रा वयं शृण्वन्तु
Om Namah Shivaya. I am Minati Parjoshi, a teacher of Amrita Vidyalayam, Odisha. Only 1 year and a few months passed to join this spiritual institution which is running under the shadow of love and compassion of Mata Amritanandamayi, a great spiritual leader of world. People lovingly called her Amma as she resides in the heart of poor and needy. I personally got the blessings of Hug during my visit to Kerala and inspired to extend my service for others. Now our world is facing Corona pandemic. Corona, 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 ना देखे क्रिश्चियन, ना हिंदू, ना मुसलमान, ना चाइना, ना इंडिया, ना पाकिस्तान, देखे तो सिर्फ इंसान. Amma's mantra to protect ourselves is to chant Lokaha Samastaha Shukino Bhavantu. The very sustenance of human being is in trouble now. We have been enjoying the blessings of science since long, being the best creature of earth. Our knowledge now forces us to accept the challenge of Corona and imprison us in different prisons like isolation, quarantine, lockdown, shutdown, containment zone, etc. The only way to save us to maintain social distance and to stay safe at home. People are coming forward to provide their voluntary services and protect the human race from this unprecedented hardship in different ways. Some sent a large amount of donation to the PM and CM's relief fund. Some filmized the films, comedies for entertainment. Some arranged the food for the poor people. Some arranged the food for street dogs, cattle and birds. People are encouraged for digital payment. Educational department encouraged for online class. We must salute to the services of nurses, doctors, police persons, bankers for their selfless services. As a teacher in social science, I have also started a struggle against this pandemic with my team of students. I have given an activity to prepare the poster on COVID-19 to be aware and to make aware of the seriousness of Corona to all those people close to us. Please don't avoid to have a look on these posters. Let's chant the mantra Lokaha Samastaha Shukino Bhavantu to save our life and our planet. Thank you.
सर्वदेवों में महादेव
Om Amriteshware Namaha. First of all, I offer my prayers at the lotus feet of Amma. I, Mrs. Maushmi Patnaik, have been working as the principal from the last 8 years at this prestigious institute Amrita Vidyalayam Odisha under the guidance of Amma. Well, this is unbelievably a very stressful hour going on. But what exactly we are stressed about? The pandemic? Or that all our fantasies are locked down? We have been rowing our life's boat in a drastically wrong direction that was absolutely taking us nowhere. Now it is time to revive the eternity. It is the time when we accept this lockdown as an opportunity rather than restriction. It is time for us to create magic within ourselves. So let's stop wondering about when to get free and let's stop blaming other nations for this present situation. As Amma says, all we need to do is to realize that it's all our karma. Somehow or the other, this had to happen. The universe has been signaling for revival, but we, the human race, kept denying and kept exploiting. So it was high time for the universe to heal itself. And coming to being free, there cannot be any other time when one of us must be owning so much freedom, free from literally everything. We just have to deal with ourselves, our inner self, and our families. So let's work towards our goals, cleanse ourselves, realize the importance of nature, watch the magics happening outside our windows, meditate, live in our secret dreams, pursue our secret hobbies, pray, become positive, love ourselves, and that's how we will be spreading positivity, love, and compassion. That was the mission of our school, which our students spread through this creativity and through these paintings. Namah Shivaya.